When bad things happen and we accuse God of being unjust, are we ready for his answer? Job had suffered terribly and demanded an audience with God to question his fairness. God now begins to challenge Job in Job 38. Let's listen in. Who's this that darkens counsel by words without knowledge? Words without knowledge could also describe many modern know-it-alls. What do we humans really know of the universe? Politicians, biologists, economists, sometimes even church leaders espouse arrogant, puffed-up theories as fact when we really know so little. The Lord speaks to us through Job. Now gird up your loins like a man, and I'll ask you, and you instruct me. Gird up your loins? We might say tighten your belt, get ready. Dare we enter a debate with God? We're seriously outgunned. Where were you when I laid the foundation of the earth? Tell me, if you have understanding. The earth's continental crust is 5 to 25 miles, 8 to 40 kilometers thick. And the oceanic crust is 3 to 5 miles, 5 to 8 kilometers thick. The earth's crust floats on a mantle of molten rock. Who set its measurements, since you know? Or who stretched the line on it? Our planet is just the right distance from the sun for life to exist. It's just the right mass to retain an atmosphere with the perfect percentage of oxygen to sustain life. On what were its bases sunk, or who laid its cornerstone? When the morning stars sang together and all the sons of God shouted for joy. Job understood God hangs the earth on nothing. It orbits one of 200 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Or who enclosed the sea with doors when, bursting forth, it went out from the womb? 71% of Earth's surface is ocean. The world's highest mountain is Mauna Kea, Hawaii, over 33,000 feet, 10,000 meters above the ocean floor, a mile higher than Mount Everest. When I made a cloud its garment and thick darkness its swaddling band, and I placed boundaries on it and set a bolt and doors. Oceans control the weather as they bring rain and wind and moderate the world's temperature. Oceans are a major source of food. Have you ever in your life commanded the morning and caused the dawn to know its place? God created Earth to rotate, giving us day and night, seasons, and beneficial wind patterns. The speed of rotation gives temperature differences between day and night that make life possible. Have you entered into the springs of the sea or walked in the recesses of the deep? The average ocean depth is over 12,000 feet, 3,700 meters. The deepest point is over 36,000 feet, 11,000 meters in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific. Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades or loose the cords of Orion? Pleiades, the seven sisters, is found on a Subaru. The Pleiades are a star cluster bound together in Taurus and are relatively close to Earth. Which of us chained these stars together? Next time we see the sunrise, let's remember who commands the morning. Next time we follow Orion's belt to the Pleiades, remember who binds that star cluster together. When God sometimes allows bad things to happen, remember that the one who made earth, sea, and stars knows what he's doing. Life on earth involves suffering and death, but God's plan is resurrection and salvation. The path to life eternal and salvation from sin sometimes takes us through the valley of the shadow of death. Let's never forget that God is there too, with us every step of the way. And at the other end is life and joy forevermore.